Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili water. First, select about 50 grams of fresh red or green chilies, depending on your preferred spice level. Next, prepare 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally, have 1/2 cup of warm water ready to combine everything. This simple recipe is perfect for enhancing many dishes. To begin, carefully wash your chosen chilies. You can remove the seeds if you prefer a milder chili water or leave them in for extra heat. Next, measure out your liquids and dry ingredients precisely. The warm water helps dissolve the sugar and salt more effectively, ensuring a well-balanced flavor profile for your condiment. Now it's time to finely chop your chilies. Aim for small, consistent pieces to ensure even flavor distribution. Once chopped, transfer them to a clean jar or container. Add the vinegar, sugar, salt, and warm water. Stir everything together vigorously for about 1 minute, making sure the sugar and salt completely dissolve into the liquid. For the best flavor, allow your chili water to infuse for at least 30 minutes before serving. This gives the chilies time to release their delicious essence into the liquid. You can store this versatile condiment in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's fantastic with noodles, rice, or as a dipping sauce. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.